In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export your Obsidian notes as a PDF. This is really useful if you want to share your notes with someone who doesn't use Obsidian, or if you just want an easy to open copy outside the app. First, open the note you want to export and make sure everything looks the way you want it. Formatting, headings and images included. Once you're happy with it, look toward the top right corner of your Obsidian window. You'll see the 3-dot menu icon, which opens the options menu for that note. Click on it, and from the list that appears, select the option that says Export to PDF. As soon as you choose that, Obsidian will convert your note into a PDF file while keeping your formatting and inline images intact. That means your note will look almost exactly the same in the PDF as it does inside Obsidian. Once the export window pops up, just choose where you'd like to save the file on your computer so you can easily find it later. And that's really all there is to it. Open your note, click the options menu, export to PDF, and save. If you ever need to export a lot of notes at once, you may want to look into plugins or additional tools, but for single note exports, this built-in feature works perfectly. And that's how you export Obsidian notes as PDFs. Simple, fast, and super handy for sharing or archiving your work. Happy note-taking!